Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. For this post-workout protein dessert, we're making 4 ingredient shortbread cookies. I'll do basic ones, but you can add cacao nibs or baking chocolate chips. Prepare the ingredients: 1 cup of monk fruit sweetener, protein powder of choice, 3 cups unbleached white flour, unsalted butter 250 grams at room temperature. Mine wasn't room temp enough, as you can see later. And half a cup of warm water if you don't want to waste time waiting for your butter to melt. Step 1. Preheat your oven on the highest temp on fan bake. In your dough mixer, put the flour, then the sugar and as much protein as you like. Since this will yield a lot of biscuits, so I added 2 scoops of banana protein, followed by the butter. However, you can also add a double thick cream with protein icing mixture and squish 2 biscuits together if you need more protein. Step 2. On low speed to start, let it work until you get a crumbly consistency. If it's taking too long for the butter to incorporate, add splashes of warm water gradually and it should form quicker. You want the consistency of bubblegum. Step 3. On a clean cutting board, tear off a large enough sheet of baking paper, then pour the crumble onto it, then gently cover the sides with the paper, then squish it all together. It should easily stick together to form a large ball of dough. Step 4. Remove the paper and flour the surface, then begin to knead as thick or as thin as you like. But remember, the thicker you do it, the longer the cooking time. Mine are fairly thick and big, so I had a cooking time of around 25 minutes. Otherwise, they shouldn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes in a hot oven if you've done thinner and smaller ones. My intention was to make cat-shaped shortbread cookies, but that failed, so I just went with the circular ones. I thought this cat mold would be stronger, but it's just thin metal, so it sucked. Step 5. Place the baking paper onto your baking tray. If it doesn't sit properly, scrunch it up. Then place however many biscuits you like. Set the oven for 13 minutes and keep an eye on them. They'll burn otherwise. You're going for browned edges. In the meantime, you can make protein icing for the center or just wait until the oven beeps. Then check on them. They should take around 5 more minutes if your oven is as useless as mine. Step 6. Take them out of the oven when the edges are golden brown, or cook them just below burned, but don't blacken them. Place them on a bench until they cool down. They will still cook while cooling. Here on mine, they came out a little squishy in the center, but I let them cool and now they're like a spongy cake consistency. But either way, they taste great, especially after skipping rope for 30 minutes. Work hard, then relax with another delicious healthy way to consume your protein. Enjoy.